Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you're gonna see how to make your own summer sandal. So all of the supplies, of course, guys, you know it was at Dollar Tree. Definitely budget friendly, very cheap to make. You can have your teens and stuff to do this. This is such a cool project to do with your kid. I had a lot of fun making these. I got these and I got these. If you want to see how to make your own cute summer sandal, then keep on watching.
Okay guys, so here are my Dollar Tree flip-flops and my scarf from Dollar Tree. So you're gonna need some scissors and E6000 glue and also some small hair ties. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna remove the band from your Dollar Tree flip-flops. So you're gonna cut along here and make sure to remove all of them so that you would only be left with the sole of the shoe. Okay, so once you are done, this is the sole of the shoe and this is what you are left with. So you're going to take your small hair tie and you're going to tie a knot to it. Make sure you have the small ones because these work best. So once you do this, this is how it looks. And you will need a total of 3 per flip-flop. So this is how they look. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom of the sole and you're going to feed it through the top portion of the shoes and feed it through. So you're going to be left with 3. And this is how it's gonna look. So once you are done, just make sure they're attached and they're not pulling out. You're gonna take your scarf from Dollar Tree and cut it in half. I chose this pretty pink one. So you wanna go ahead and make sure that you feed it through. Just be very careful as you're pulling it through. So what I do is I feed it on the top portion and then I make sure that they're aligned together so when it's time for me to apply, when it's time for me to put on my slippers, I can definitely put on my flip-flops. So you're going to feed it in until it's completely done and then your shoe should be ready to go. So this is how the flip-flop will look. On the bottom of the shoe, this is what the E6000 is for. You want to take it and place a liberal amount of E6000 and let it dry. That way it won't flip. The next shoe, I'm going to go ahead and take this lei. You're going to cut the lei and take all the flowers off. And you're going to use the hot glue gun. So be careful as you use your hot glue gun because it is very hot. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a flower and you're going to put a little bit of the hot glue in the center and fold it in half. You're going to do that to as many flowers as you can because you're going to be layering it onto the flip-flop. So I will take a little bit of the glue and put it in the center of the folded flower. And as I do that, I go ahead and put it on the side. Right onto the band, you just make sure you put it on there, but be careful because it's pretty hot. So you're going to continue to lay the folded pieces of the flower on there and apply the hot glue gun, and you want to continue to layer it onto the band this way. This project was very, very easy. You're going to continue doing it this way, and it came out so nice. So I did 2 of each pair. And you're going to definitely see, I'm going to show you how it looks, the little try on at the next stage of this, and you get to see how they look.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed making these cute summer sandals. I really enjoyed making them. They're very easy to make, as you can see. If this is your first time here in my channel, welcome to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. This will help my channel a lot. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know which one of these sandals is your favorite one. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification button so that you'll be notified of all my new videos. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to live your life beautifully, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.